What's going on, guys? Really short video today. Bit of a story time and a bit of a suggestion for all you guys. And this is talking about insurance for your car. So I had insurance. I'm not going to name which company I have, but let's just call them Regressive, right? We'll say Regressive was who I had for insurance. Let's just make that name up. And for a while, my insurance rate was pretty solid. It was pretty good. And then I totaled my last BMW. Very bad accidents, not fun. I don't recommend totaling any car, let alone a BMW sports car, because it just is not a fun time. So naturally, as it kind of happens after an accident, my insurance rate went up. And my insurance rate went up like almost double what I was paying before. And at first, okay, fine, right? No problem. But then as time goes on, the rate just keeps going up and up and up. But that's mostly just because insurance as a whole is nowadays just going up and up and up, and it's just becoming more expensive. But I'm doing this video kind of telling you guys, make sure you guys shop around for insurance. Make sure if the opportunity comes to switch insurance, take the opportunity to do so. Because through my job, I have the opportunity to get a slight discount on insurance. It's not a big discount, but nonetheless, it's a discount. So it's been 2 years since my accident. Almost 2 years. I don't have a date on this watch, but I wrecked my car 2 years ago on May 19th. And it is like May 10th or something like that. So almost 2 years to the date, I trashed that BMW. Depending on what state you live in the United States, your insurance rate lowers after a certain period of time. Now that rate at which it lowers is different state to state. But for Connecticut, it's generally 3 to 5 years, depending on the circumstances and stuff like that. So my insurance rate just was not going down, and in fact, it was just going up. What did I do? I shopped around, because I'm like, you know what do I have to lose, right? Let me shop around. Let me just see what I can get, right? I get a slight discount through work. Let me see what they can find me for quotes out there. And I kid you not, I got initially a quote from Regressive for the same coverage with the cars, with the accident, for literally the price that I had my insurance before the accident. That was a quote that I got. So naturally, I'm like, all right, let me see if getting a new policy makes sense. So I followed up on it, and they said, not quite. After, we factored things in on their system, this is how it comes out. So, okay, didn't really save me much money, but I found a different insurance that literally for like $100 per 6 months more than what that quote was. So basically, I went back to pre-accident rates after 2 years of my accident. And mind you, it was a terrible accident. This is a little service announcement for you guys. Shop around for insurance. Every 6 months, just shop around. Because loyalty gets you nowhere with insurance anyway. So you may as well just look around and see if you can find something somewhere that will cover you for what you have now for much cheaper. Because I literally cut my insurance bill in half, basically to what it was before my accident. And that was just from shopping around. So, short video, guys, but please just do yourselves a favor. Don't stick to your insurance. Just shop around, because you may be able to find a better rate, right? I know I sound like an insurance peddler, but I promise you guys, it's from personal experience, a pro tip from me to you, right? As someone who has a bad accident on the record, I pretty much got back to pre-accident rates after 2 years. So do yourselves a favor, guys. If you like this tip, leave me a like, subscribe, and leave me a comment letting me know what you think, if you've done something similar. And that's going to be all for this quick little video. So thank you guys so much for watching. Until next time.